Vanessa again, and I just thought we might play some more with some fonts. I'm always looking for designs, etc. for my grandchildren, especially my granddaughter who loves clothes. So I wanted to do an ABC t-shirt for her, and I found these interesting tools once again in this program. So I'm going to start off with the text. I'm going to find one that I like. Okay, let's see, which one will I get? I'm sort of looking for a smooth looking font. We'll try this one. Once again, I'm going to click on my work area and I'm going to select the capital letter B. Click off it, select it, and bring it back. And there's the letter B. Now I can actually ungroup that, which actually crops any excess from around the edge of the letter. Select it again, drag it out, make it a bit bigger. I'm going to go up the top and get my fill tool and I'm going to fill it with green just to make it easier. Okay, so now I'm going to play around with this. So I'm going to select this tool here, which is a slice tool, and I'm going to click on it. Now when I click on it, you'll notice all these knives appear down the side, all interesting, and I'm going to pick the wave one. Now by left clicking and dragging across, you'll see that I've got this wavy line. When I release the left mouse button, because it's got auto apply, it's actually cut across my design. So I'm going to do it again up here. Wait for it to work. And again down the bottom. Okay, well you're probably thinking, well that's not very exciting. But if I grab the bottom bit, it's actually been sliced apart. And if I grab the top bit, it's been sliced apart. I'll grab that one and come down a bit. Grab that one and come down a bit. So now I've actually got this text that's been sliced with waved lines. So I can select the top bit, go to my fill bucket, fill it with yellow. I'm going to leave green second color. I'm going to go blue, and then I'm going to go pink at the bottom. So now I have this U-boot letter that's actually been split up. Now you'll notice this bottom bit, it's not quite in line, so you might have to do just a little bit of adjusting here just to make it, to bring it back into line. Now these will go out of sync if you do that, so just be aware of, if you want to bring the sides in, then you have to know that the other bit's going to go out of sync. But I thought, sort of, how cool is that for variation on a t-shirt or whatever? So I'm going to just grab that and I'm going to hit the bottom button on the left, and that will actually group them together. So I can now reduce that in size. I'll move it to one side. I'll go to my text tool again, the same one's selected, so I click it on. I might do A this time. Click off it. Once again, I'm going to bring it in big so I can see what I'm up to. Then change the color of it. I'll just make it all blue. So once again, I'm going to get my knife. This time I'm going to drag it across there and wait for it to activate. Okay, so we're going to do 4, so I might drag it across here. And drag it across there. And once again, these have all been split up. Now I'm just using my arrow keys to move them down. Now, if you're using your arrow keys, you can actually count as you click to make sure your spaces are the same. And again, I can select the top one, bucket, red, leave it blue, yellow, and I'm going to hold my shift key so I get both of those, and I'll make those aqua. Once again, I'm going to select them all and group them, and I can reduce this one down in size. Just so we get the alphabet going in the right order. And one last time, I'll select the C, click off, select, bring it in large so I can see what I'm doing, fill it with a color, grab my knife and cut across there, cut across the middle, and cut across the bottom. Again, I'm going to select it, move it up a bit, click that one, move it down a bit, move that one, that one. And again, there we have it. Just change the color of that. Now I'm just doing these randomly. You probably have more order in your alphabet than what I have, but this is just the quick way of showing you what you can do. Reduce it down in size. And we've got an ABC there, all ready to put on my granddaughter's t-shirt. Now, if I wanted to do that as a heat transfer, I would actually grab all of them and group them. And I might even draw a oval or a box or something around them that will actually enclose those in. Grab those ones and move them over a fraction. I'm doing this very quick. Okay, so I can grab my oval. I'll fill it with a, oh, not that color, I don't like that color, pale blue probably, and select this button down here and move that to the back. Grab all of them, move them down my page. And I'll go to File, Save As, ABC, and OK. So I've got all those files now if I want them to use to cut or to use as a transfer, etc. with the program. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this quick lesson.